to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your PIP or the pip to the latest version. So let's see how to do this. So once you are inside your VS Code and you have opened your Python file, then what you're going to need to do is simply head on to the terminal of your Windows or the VS Code, and then you need to simply type this following command, which is python-m pip install --upgrade space pip. Then once you will type this particular following command in, what you need to do is simply hit the enter button. Once you will do this, the process will begin and your pip will be updated. So let's see. And here you can see that the installation has started and the packages are being downloaded. And once the packages has been downloaded, you can see this message which says successfully installed PIP version 25.0.1. So that's how you can update your PIP to the latest version in your Python VS Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.